Dear friends, welcome the year. Welcome the new year with gratitude, hope, and faith. As we stand at the threshold of new year, our hearts are filled with deep gratitude and quiet reflection. Another chapter of our life's journey has come to a close, and before us lies a fresh page, untouched, unwritten, and full to promise. The new year is not merely a change of due dates on the calendar, it is sacred invitation. It invites us to pause, to remember, to heal, and to begin again. Every sunrise of this new year is a gentle reminder that God, in His mercy, has granted us one more opportunity to love more deeply, to forgive more freely, and to walk more faithfully. To love more deeply, to forgive more freely, and to walk more faithfully. The year gone by may have given us moments of joy. The year gone by may have given us moments of joy and success, but it may also have tested us with pain, loss, silence, and answered prayers. Yet, through every season, one truth remains unshaken: we are still standing by grace. The strength that carried us through was not our own alone, it was the unseen hand of God guiding us, protecting us, and sustaining us. As we welcome this new year, let us carry forward not the burdens of regret, but the wisdom of experience. Let us release what wished us down and embrace what lifts us up. Let us allow the past to teach us, not to imprison us. Yesterday has shaped us, but it does not define us. Hope does. This new year is a gift wrapped in hope. It comes with new mornings, new chances, and new mercies. It reminds us that no failure is final, no wound is beyond healing, and no darkness is strong enough to overcome the light that God places within us. May this new year be a year of inner renewal. May tired hearts find rest. May wounded souls find healing. May anxious minds find peace. May we learn to slow down and listen to God, to one another, and to the quiet voice within that calls us toward what is good and true. Let this year be marked not just by achievements, but by character, not just by progress, but by purpose, not just by success, but by service. May kindness be our language, compassion of our lifestyle, and gratitude our daily prayer. As families, may this new year draw us closer, healing misunderstandings, restoring broken bonds, and strengthening love. As communities, may we become more welcoming, more patient, and more united. As individuals, may we grow wiser, humbler, and stronger in faith. There will be challenges in the days ahead, this we know. But will always be grace for every challenge, strength for every weakness, and light for every uncertain step. We do not walk into this new year alone. God goes before us, walks beside us, and remains within us. Let us step into this new year with faith instead of fear, trust instead of worry, and hope instead of despair. Let us believe that even the smallest step taken with faith can lead to great transformation. May this new year brings peace that calms every storm, courage to face every challenge, wisdom to choose what truly matters, joy that is deeper than circumstances, love that reflects God's own heart. As the new year unfolds, may our lives become living messages of hope to others. May our words encourage, our actions inspire, and our presence brings comfort wherever we go. With hearts lifted in thanksgiving and eyes fixed on hope, we welcome this new year with confidence, courage, and faith, trusting that the best is yet to come because God is still writing our story. May this new year be blessed, meaningful, and filled with grace today, tomorrow, and to all the days to come. us. As the new year dawns before us, we pause not in haste but in reverence. Time moves forward swiftly, yet this sacred moment invites us to stand still, to breathe deeply, and to recognize the profound gift that a new year truly is. It is not simply another turning of the calendar, it is a divine reminder that life continues, hope remains, and grace is renewed. As we step forward, let us do together, supporting one another, praying for one another, and reminding each other that no one walks alone. Every step taken in love, no matter how small, has eternal value. With gratitude for the past, courage for the present, and hope for the future, we welcome this new year. May it be a year marked by grace, guided by wisdom, and filled with God's abiding presence. Amen. Fear gives way to faith, worry gives way to trust, division gives way to unity, despair gives way to hope. May this new year be a year wherever we want and we live the life according to the God's will and wish. May God bless us all with grace and mercy. May flow abundantly as we walk in this new year of 2026 and ever longer treat style new year message will be always in our minds and hearts that will be flowed forever all through the year and the days to come. May God bless us all with happiness and prosperity and joy. Happy New Year of 2026. God bless us all.